Welcome! This video will show you how to upload a submission for a Peerceptiv assignment. If you are accessing your Peerceptiv assignment through a course website, such as Canvas, Brightspace, or Moodle, you will need to click on the assignment link within that website in order to submit. You may need to load the assignment in a new window. If you do not have a class website with a Peerceptiv assignment link and you are logging in directly, you will first click the name of your course. Then, look for the name of your assignment. You will also be able to see the due dates for the different phases of the assignment. Click on your assignment to go to the assignment dashboard, or click on the associated action button to go directly to your task. All student users, whether you log in from a course website or log into your assignment directly, will see this assignment dashboard. You may need to click Show More to see the full assignment description. Click Rubric to see the assignment expectations. This is the rubric that will be used to review your and your peers' work. On the dashboard, you can see that your next task says Submit, and the card on the right tells you that the assignment is in the submission phase and when the submission deadline is. If you're in a sync mode assignment, you can see that the review and feedback phases are not active yet, but you're able to see the dates that they unlock and the deadlines for those phases. If you are in an async mode assignment, the review and feedback phases will become available immediately after you submit. When you are ready to upload a submission for your assignment, click Submit. Your assignment may allow you to choose a submission type, either file upload, URL link, or text box entry. You should choose the best one for your submission or upload the type of submission that your instructor has specified. You may only upload one submission per assignment. If you upload a file, it is very important to take a look at your file or document and make sure that it appears correctly, either in the viewing window or when downloaded. When you have done this, click Confirm and Submit to finalize your submission. If you are submitting a link, then you should copy and paste the link into the box and click Continue. Before confirming your link, make sure that the sharing permissions are not private and are set so that everyone with the link can view it. This ensures that your reviewers can access your link. If you choose Submit Text, or if your instructor has enabled this option, a text box will be available for you to type your submission. Check that your text is correct and click Confirm and Submit. After you have successfully uploaded a submission, you are able to click View Submission from the dashboard. If you are in a sync mode assignment, you can replace or delete your submission if needed before the submission deadline closes. If you are in an async mode assignment, this is not possible, and you should contact your instructor or support@peerceptiv.com as soon as possible to have an incorrect submission deleted and replaced. Thank you for watching this video. Please refer to our knowledge base for more information or contact support@peerceptiv.com for specific questions or assistance.